Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to transfer money from Kraken to Ledger Nano X. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply using the Ledger Live mobile application, locate the asset you would like to withdraw from Kraken to your Ledger hardware device and click the receive button. Then connect your hardware Ledger device to a computer and unlock it by entering your PIN number. Your Ledger device will synchronize with the Ledger Live app and show the new receive address for the chosen crypto asset on the screen. Simply click verify and the new receive address will appear on the Ledger Live app screen. Make sure both addresses are the same. If they are, click the copy address icon. Now the most important thing is to sign in into your Kraken account, navigate over the funding tab and then simply click on withdraw and use the search bar to find the crypto asset you're looking to move to your Ledger device. Simply paste the receive address from your Ledger Live app into the withdrawal address box and enter the amount and then simply click on withdraw, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.